everyone, my room is a mess, so that's why we're in front of this door. But today we have a Stitch Fix unboxing. So I did Stitch Fix once before. I think my box was a 5 out of 5. It was so good. I got this dress out of it. I ended up keeping 2 of the items, although I did like everything they gave me. Money-wise, I wasn't ready to buy all of it, but thanks to everyone who used my link last time, I built up enough credits that if this is a 5 out of 5, I could very well keep everything. But I wanted to get a second box just to see if it would be as good as the first time. Plus, I shop a lot, but like I'm getting kind of bored, so I'm kind of interested to see what kind of things someone else would pick out for me. So we're gonna open this up and see what they got me. I have no idea what's in here. I could have checked online to see like a preview, but I wanna be 100% surprised. So we'll open this up. I got some scissors in between my legs. There we go. Okay, so if you live under a rock and you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's a styling service. They do men, women, children, plus size, everyone. So you basically pay a $20 styling fee and they pick out 5 items for you. It could be accessories, could be shoes. I specified just clothing, and they send you those items. You try them on at home, keep what you like, send back what you don't. They include a prepaid mailer bag, so you don't have to take care of any of that. And if you keep anything, that $20 is applied to your items. And I think if you keep all 5, I think it's a 20% off. There's definitely an incentive to keep all 5 items. So let's see what I got. We're just gonna look at my bundle. I'm seeing fall colors, which is good. That's what I asked for. I see some leopard in here, some green. So basically I did this fix because I definitely wanted to do a fall box. And in my styling note, I said I was going to Boston, so I really wanted some autumnal kind of looks. I specified no jeans because I have the 3 pairs that I'm ever gonna wear, you know? So I said no jeans. I did say like wrap tops, I really like wrap dresses. So we'll see how well they did with my notes, but color-wise, I'm already really happy. I don't see it in here, but I feel like I'm supposed to get a little note. I don't know, but I don't see it. All right. Oh, that felt good. Okay, let's just go with the first thing. So first we have a pair of pants. So these are from the Michael Studio collection. These are in a size 16. They seem really stretchy already. So these are just like a nice, I would say like a Ponte pant. Are they blue? They're looking blue, but they're black. And they have zippers on the front. Again, really stretchy. We'll see when I try them on how they feel. But, you know, not a bad thing. I'm not like, wow, pants, but like, you know, not a bad start. Okay, here's the thing about these pants. They fit amazingly. They feel really good. I have literally no use for them. These are like a work trouser. When I worked in pharmaceuticals and we had to wear lady pants, this was something that would suit me then, but I have literally no use for a pant like this. I'm not the biggest fan of a straight leg cut like that. I know that's great for work again, but like I said, why would I wear these? Also, sorry about the floorboards. These retail for $68. If I needed these would 100% be a keeper because they feel amazing. And I think the quality is good for the price, and you get your like $20 back on this. In my life right now, I would never wear these, but the waistband is amazing. These are a size 16. I could definitely like last all day in these, but these are a no for me. Also, the zipper detail, fake. Looks cute though. All right, let's go with the leopard. We know I love leopard. I'm a Jersey girl. So, is this a dress? All right, this is from the brand French Gray. Ooh, cute. Okay, a skater dress in leopard, and it's super stretchy. Also, this is like pretty muted color-wise, so I kind of like that. This will definitely fly in the office if I ever return to corporate America, but this with like a leather jacket, this with a denim jacket, this could be really, really cute, and I love this style on me. I am a skater dress girl through and through. It looks like it's either a 3/4 sleeve or a full sleeve. This is cute, and I really like the stretch. There's a little keyhole detail up here. Very similar fabric to the dress I'm wearing right now. This is from my first Stitch Fix box. I wear this all the time, and if you watch any of my videos, you know that. Like, if I'm doing a sit-down video, I usually pop this on, so this has gotten a lot of wear out of me. Okay, this dress goes for $58, which I think is a really fair price, and this one is also in a size 1X. So what I love about this is that it's super comfy. The fabric of this, so soft. The entire thing, super stretchy. And I can definitely wear this all throughout the year. Like, I did ask for fall stuff, and I definitely think this falls into fall. But as I always say, leopard is a neutral for me, so I can wear this any time of year. Love that it comes in right at my waist. I would definitely maybe put a belt in here just to break it up a little bit. But I love the shape this gives me. I do like the half sleeve and the button up detail here. I could probably unbutton it and let it probably hit right here. But I like the effect that gives you. I think this with a leather jacket and like a black belt will really pull it all together. Okay, yes, already making it better. Yes! Okay, so cute. And then like a belt. I don't have one at the ready, but you know, it would definitely help. I'm gonna keep this one just because it is so comfy. It's so me, like the shape, the silhouette, so good. So this one I'm very happy about. Okay, next is this green. I love the color of this. It's a little blazer. This is cute. Okay, this is from the Skies Are Blue brand. This is really cute. A nice light blazer. Like, it's not too structured, but I feel like this would still really elevate an outfit. I really like the lining. Like, no one's ever gonna see the lining, but like, that's so cute. So hopefully it looks good on, because that, just holding it, I hope that's a keeper. All right, this blazer is in a size 1X and it goes for $88. I really love this, so I'm really thankful that I have all the credits that I will be able to buy this because it's so cute. Very casual. Again, like I said, it's not that structured, so it's definitely an easier throw it on. Like, I don't look so buttoned up, but I still feel put together. So this one also has the 3/4, maybe even a half sleeve length. I'm not the biggest fan of that, but you know, it's not causing me any distress. I also like that this one doesn't have a button or any kind of enclosure. It just hangs. This is super soft, has a really good amount of stretch. And again, it has that really cute lining that you know is there, but I think that's cute added detail. So I love the length, I love the color, so very, very happy about this one, and very happy that I have the credit to buy it. Okay, next is this shirt from 41 Hawthorne. Burnt orange, love that for fall. I definitely asked for fall colors and they're definitely delivering. To me, like, this has no hanger appeal. Like, if I saw this at Macy's, I would walk right by. I think like a double-breasted pocket looks so bad on me. Like, it just really accentuates a weird place on my boobs. But you never know, this might look really good on. I do think it would be a good, again, a good workplace option. And I love the color, but just by looking at it, I don't know, it might make me look like a frumpalump. All right, this top is in a 1X and it goes for $58. Again, it's a major, like, nothing burger. Like, fit is great. Style, eh. Like I said, I don't really dig pockets here. Like, it's just like a weird part of the boob. I don't know. It feels good. The shirt feels good. It's not tight, and with a knit shirt like this, I usually get that a lot, but this feels really good. Again, it would be a good work top, but like, I could also get this for like $15.99 at TJ Maxx. I do love the color though. Very cute. Again, very autumnal, exactly what I asked for. But like, this is not a wow. This is not a showstopper. This is not a, I got this from Stitch Fix, you have to try it. Like, this is a shirt. Like, if it was just like plain, no weird pockets, yeah, again, I might keep it as a basic, but again, this is not like a showstopper number. Okay, finally, sweater. Okay, this is from the brand Daniel Rain. It's a light sweater, but it's really soft, seems pretty warm. You know, this isn't bad. It might, I don't know, age me a little bit. How old does everyone think I am? You know what, this isn't bad. I think with jeans or those black pants they gave me, this could be good. But again, like, hanger appeal, I wouldn't like be like, oh my God, I need to try that on. But who knows, once it's on, it might be really cute. Okay, this sweater is in a 1X and it retails for $68. It's just okay. Like, it's very warm, it's very well constructed. Like, the quality of this, A+. Style-wise, I'd give it a B, but like, all together, I'm like, I don't know. Again, I think it's very, it's aging me, you know? Like, if this was in a solid, I'd be like, okay, that's a great basic. And I do have credit, so like, it's a contender because it is warm, it is soft, it would be good, you know, for work or something, but I have it paired together with the pants and I feel like an office woman named Peg. Like, no, I don't know. So let me know what you think about this sweater. Keep it, send it back, let me know. I'm getting just okay vibes. Okay, again, I thought like you get a little note explaining everything. It might all be online now. I can check that, but I thought you got a little note. Okay, so that is everything from this Stitch Fix box. I would say that was like a 2 out of 5. Definitely keeping this blazer. I'm gonna keep the leopard dress, but I'm pretty bummed considering how good my first box was. My first box like really hit the nail on the head of who I was, you know, what I like to wear, and even had some things that I was like, oh, I wouldn't try this, but now that I have it, I love it. Whereas with this one, I was like, did they send this to the wrong house? Like, it felt like this box was for Peg from the HR department. Like, definitely not for like a 31-year-old girl who doesn't really go to a corporate environment for work. And you know what? I did ask for fall colors, which I got, so I'm happy about that, but I did ask for like wrap tops, wrap dresses. Didn't get any of that. I need to, going forward, ask for no pants whatsoever. I don't need pants, and maybe just refine my style notes even harder, but I don't think this really nailed what I was looking for, and I'm kind of bummed because we're going to Boston. I was gonna hire a photographer, which I'm still gonna do anyways, but I was hoping for like a fire outfit, and I didn't get that. And like I said, with a few of the pieces, like you could definitely find that just on the rack at Macy's or TJ Maxx, and none of it really stood out as like, oh, you gotta try Stitch Fix, you know? So I'm very happy that I had the credit and I didn't really lose anything, but comparing it to my last box, which was so good, this was kind of like, meh. So I'm gonna try it again, and I'm really gonna refine what I'm looking for, what I'm not looking for, but this box was just a 2 out of 5. That's 4, just a 2 out of 5. Sizing wise though, I got a 1X or a 16 and everything fit perfectly. Nothing was pulling, nothing was tight, everything draped really well. So I will give them that, their fit is amazing. Pricing wise, I do need to play with that too. I have the big credit, so I wasn't really worried pricing wise, but going forward, I would definitely, you know, move it kind of lower. All right, I hope that didn't deter anyone from trying Stitch Fix, because I do think it's a good thing to try. And like I said, my first box was A+. So yeah, I'm gonna pack up the other 3 items, send them back, but I will be trying this again, but I'm gonna be way pickier in my notes. I'm shocked I didn't get that little note from them. I don't know what happened with this box. All right, as usual, all my sizes are down below, all my links are down below. It's all there. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. That was weird fingers. Bye.